Hello, I'm Alexander Gufler. I was born in Merano, Italy, and I started my collaboration with Ton 10 years ago. We introduced Merano Armchair together, and since then our design journey started, and we developed around 12 products over the last 10 years. YYY is the last one, and we show this year in Milano. When I started to design YYY, the whole intention was to create a very simple product with a small intervention like this cut on the round top. Adds a value in terms of aesthetics and of functionality. YYY comes in 3 different sizes and diameters, which allows you different arrangement setups to suit every kind of environment. When I designed this product, for me it was very important to match the right proportions, heights, diameters, and put a lot of attention on details. This cutted edge, which allows you to put the table against a wall, next to a sofa, use it as a laptop table. Underneath I can show you this rounded edge here or the flattened legs, and in the end this Y-shaped structure. And overall it gave also the name to the table YYY.